Hi, I'm Sarah from uFloral, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a DIY Italian Ruscus garland, which is a perfect idea for cutting costs and having a beautiful and upscale wedding centerpiece. So this here is a bunch of Italian Ruscus. The number of stems in a bunch really varies because they are a grower's bunch, which is packaged by weight. So you're gonna have some stems that are really long, like this guy, and then this one here, which is a little bit shorter. So in order to make your garland, it's so easy. You guys are gonna love this. So you just take your greenery and you lay it on the table, and then you take your next piece and you stagger it, trying to hide the bottom of the stem here. You can actually just take your pruners and cut off the part that has no leaves, so that way you don't see a part without leaves. And then you take another one and just stagger it here. When you get to the end, you're gonna see the end of the greenery. So you can take a piece and just take it and thread it backwards in order to cover that off. And Italian Ruscus is gorgeously draping, so you can see it kind of drapes like this. So you can even have it extend off your table to get some beautiful movement off your tables. So now that you've got it laid out on the table, now's the time to put in some accents, like you could put in some candles, or you could put in bud vases. I have some electric conductors. So these are super vintage. I got some from my grandpa and some I found when hiking in the woods. So I think these are so cool, and I'm just nestling them amongst the Ruscus to add something that's kind of unique and has a bit of a connection to my past of hiking and my grandfather and that sort of thing. So if you don't want to put anything like that, totally up to you, obviously, and you could just leave it with just the garland. So a couple things I should tell you guys about Italian Ruscus is you're probably wondering, how much do I need? So this table here is about 4 feet, and I laid it pretty thick, you can tell, and I still have another 2 pieces left. So I would say that if you're doing it a little bit lighter than what I have, you could do 1 bunch for an 8-foot table. The second thing you're probably wondering is this okay to set out the night before my wedding without a water source? And the answer is yes. Italian Ruscus is super hardy, that it doesn't need to be in water for a 24-hour period. It will still look nice. When you get it sent to you though, you're gonna wanna make sure that you cut the ends with pruners and put it in water, because you don't want to leave it out of water for extended lengths of time. But the 24 hours before leading up to your wedding is totally fine. So hopefully that gave you guys some insight into how to make a DIY Italian Ruscus garland. And thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today.